You'll have a lip all the way around it, so there's the right thingy. If your aftermarket one spring is too long, just use your old spring. Now you see it, it's sucking it in, okay? Perfect, this is all you need. As today I just looked at the cap then, I did break it because it is very cold, so be very careful. Right, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, if you watch the remap video, my PCV valve is faulty, okay? Now when I got my remap done, it started squealing, right? Now I'll show you a noise what that squealing looks like. So that is what it should sound like if it's a bad one. Mine squealed like this, but then Sam turned off the car and then it's not squealed ever since, okay? Now another telltale sign is if it's smoking really bad with white smoke, okay? I know mine's gone because it started squealing and it shouldn't be squealing, okay? So the PCV is just there, okay? Now the way to take this off, this is the new kit. It's the rubber seal that's gone, okay? So the spring we can still use again because this is an aftermarket thing. If you go to BMW, they'll sell you the whole rocker cover, okay? They will not sell you this. They don't want you to buy that, okay? So if you go to BMW, say, oh, it's squealing, I need one of these kits, they won't give you this kit. You have to buy this online, okay? This is like a third-party company making these because it's a common fault. It's right there, okay? So let me take this off. It will have, now see, get a zoom in right here. It's gonna have a lip. Can you see that, Sadiq? Just that lip. You'll have a lip all the way around it, Sadiq. You see it? Yeah? That's what's holding it in, okay? So you can work on one side. Try and and just put your hand in there. Now it does have a spring, so just put your thumb on top, otherwise it'll just explode off. Just trying to find an angle to it. The thing is, you just got to try and find the right bloody tool. This side is up. Can't get a fucking angle on it, gosh. I needed to push. Beautiful. Let me put that one there. That's the rubber thing that is causing me problems, okay? It's going to have a cap and a spring. Is that right? Yeah, rubber seal. Okay. And the cap. Now let's get a thumbnail, Sadiq. So, right, there's the new one. There is the old one. My slit, you see it? Right there. You see that? Mm. There's the slit. That's what's causing me the problems right there. That little twat there. Okay? So that's the bad one. So that's why it's squealing. So now, the thing is, the spring, just double check your spring is the same length. Because if anything, you don't want the aftermarket spring to be too long, otherwise it's going to keep on pushing it out. Actually that's a bit dirty. Beautiful, yeah. So I'll replace the spring because it's the right thingy. If your aftermarket one spring is too long, just use your old spring. Okay, the cap. Cap was fucking good enough for me. Okay, so now spring goes in first. The spring in there, it just sits in there, and then you're gonna have, look, it just sits like this, okay? Just like that. That. Flip this over. That will sit in there, okay? Now best way to do it is it's going to constantly push up like this, okay? It's going to be very hard for you. You can try it to then put the cap on, because you might risk pinching it again, okay? Just as the rubber seals. So the best way to do it now is, Sadiq, you'll need your help here, alright? Make sure that sort of thingy, all the sides is sitting nice. Right, Sadiq, I need you to put one finger just on that and pull it, push it, okay? Just keep pushing it. I'm gonna turn the car on. Right? 1 second. Keep it rolling, Sadiq.
The fuck?
Yeah, let go. Now you see it? It's sucking it in, okay? Perfect, this is all you need. Now, right, now, you have to, it's very tricky. This is the way Sam told me to do it, because when you don't turn the car on and use the suction, you're going to need 2 people for this, okay? You're going to need someone to just hold it down whilst it sucks it, because if you don't hold it down, it leaves it open, and if you try not holding it down and trying to do that, it's just going to cause another pinch in the thingy, in the rubber, then it's just going to thingy-majiggy. But other than that, I'll put this in the link description below. Just double check it, obviously. It's not going to come out. That's on that, okay? Also, I needed that to go on because, as today I just looked at the cap there, I did break it because it is very cold, so be very careful, just in case the new cap doesn't work and you snap your old. It's very brittle, this, and it will show, okay? The slit in there and the brittleness. So that's, and now I don't need to worry about the PCV, okay? Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.